So continuing off of upgrading the license for Azure Active Directory, this video I'm going to show conditional access. So let's go to Azure Active Directory, and I created 2 users and I put this one in a group. So let's go back, and you see in this group it has that user. Anyway, and let's make sure that per user MFA that they're all disabled, and if one of them's enabled, you just click that and they'll have disable option here. But anyway, so let's go back to the overview, and you go to security and conditional access. So it is just some documentation about conditional access, but it's basically you're given rights based on certain conditions like your location. So it's kind of like multi-factor authentication, I guess, but it's based on conditions. So anyway, the conditional access, what it tells you here. So let's make a new policy. It's called conditional policy assignment. So who are we going to assign this conditional access policy to? Click here. Let's say select users and groups, and we'll do this group, which is just this user. Select, and cloud apps or actions for this policy to apply to. We'll do cloud apps, and we'll select the app, and let's look up Azure Management. Yeah, Microsoft Azure Management. This is just basically use of the Azure portal. So we'll say select. So we included that app. Next is conditions, and there's lots of different, like you could change what devices are this policy applies to, and there's mobile devices and operating systems, and we're just not going to actually put anything. Access controls, you could grant access based on, let's say, okay, that all this policy will require multi-MFA, and we're going to say select, and the session, we're not going to do that. And enable policy, yes, let's turn it on. Let's create security defaults. Let me see what that is. Okay, so to change the to disable security defaults, you got to go back, go to, where was it? Properties, manage properties, and manage security defaults, and enable it, no. And you say my organization is using conditional access. Alright, now we will create conditional access. Oh, I just forgot. Where's users? I really wish they put the conditional access here in users instead of in security. I feel like it could be in both. Conditional access, policies, you want to create a new policy, let's do it all over again. No, I'm not going to have such a big name, just policy A, let's assign it. Alright, it's nope. Assign it to the group. Microsoft Azure Management. grant it, require MFA, and turn it on, and it's working. So you should wait a few minutes. I'm not trying to be that patient. Let's see if it works. Let's see if the policy applied. So we're going to sign in to, let me make sure I got it right. Demo 2. I'm going to sign into this account and hopefully it's already applied. Alright, it's not. I'll come back when it's ready. Alright, says it's on. Let's try it again. What the heck? Okay, so put it in. I thought that you have to enter your password later, but you sign in and then it asks you for more information. So that's how you know the conditional access policy works. And let's see what it says. Let's set up a different method. And I'm going to do my phone as it. So anyway, I put in my phone number and it says verified.